guys, this is going to be our class for today. We are going to perform a review workshop. This is about all the topics we already saw along this fourth term. As you can see, we have here the part of optics. We have mirrors and lenses. We have the part of electrostatic. We have equivalent circuits. And we have the part of quantum physics, okay? So I am going to help you with the C and the D because I know these are the more hardest of them all. But the A and B are like a piece of cake, okay? This is like way too easy. And the E, haha, joke's on you because this is the most talk we already have, so haha. So, okay. Thank you very much for your attention. You're being so kind, blah, 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 blah. Remember to follow me on my social media. You can find me at @magicdepeta. And good luck. And remember that we already have the final exams mock. So I'm going to give you that information, but after the video finish, okay? So thank you. And okay, yeah, that will be all. Bye-bye.